Nollywood actress recently celebrated the birth of her first child with her husband through surrogacy, after facing a challenging fertility journey. She took to Instagram to share her joy and recount her struggles, which included one failed IVF attempt and 3 unsuccessful surrogacies over 2 years. The actress, who married her husband in 2021, posted pictures of the couple holding their newborn son's leg. She expressed her gratitude to God for blessing them with a child through their surrogate mother and thanked their doctors and the surrogate mom for their support. Bayo also announced her intention to share her surrogate journey to inspire other parents to be facing fertility challenges. She
ẹni tó ti bí òní ọkọ ọmọ làṣọ láàyè.